5G-Norma is about the mobile network architecture of the future. So we are concerned about how to organize all the functions that constitute such a mobile network. One of the topics we concentrated on was the RAN slicing. So RAN slicing extends the well-known network slicing to include also the lower parts of the radio access network, so the radio interface itself. This means that those functions that are typically virtualized in networks are now also under control of each of those who share this infrastructure. We introduced the concept of software-defined mobile network control. That's the extension of the well-known software-defined networking principle, but we not only control the mere forwarding of packets, but all the functions that are related to mobile networks. So including now the lower layers of mobile networks. Another important aspect of the adaptation or extension of the software-defined mobile network control is the adaptation of the network specifically to the service. In this sense, we offer a well-defined application programming interface, thereby allowing the tenant distinct control over its virtualized slice. We extend this to also be domain-specific, so there is the ability of this orchestration infrastructure to react on, for example, shortages in quality of service, achievements or targets, failing to achieve the targets, or, for example, to incorporate possibilities to adapt the service chain to, again, restore quality of service, something which is not possible with the current state-of-the-art architecture. You might ask yourself, what is it good for? So to put it simple, it's mostly about cost reductions. So by sharing a common infrastructure and by also enabling new services to be integrated in a common infrastructure, we have only a single infrastructure and thereby can significantly reduce the costs. Service, the second very important point that is enabled, so new services by sharing the infrastructure, something which was formerly impossible to deploy due to prohibitive costs, is the second important point we need to evaluate and which we will provide with our final report in half a year. We participated, of course, in the various working groups and also therefore disseminated not only to the scientific community and the relevant standardization fora our ideas in white papers that were written by the architecture working group, by the vision working group, and as well by the security working group. Many of the partners of 5G-Norma will join forces with selective verticals, in this case the Hamburg Harbor Authority and the Municipal of Venice, I think. And we will then try to employ the principles of 5G-Norma for those specific verticals, to reality check our approach and to adapt and further evolve and refine it.